Your keyboard is a membrane mush factory that's killing your gaming performance and making your streams look amateur. The Corsair K100 RGB with OPX optical mechanical switches doesn't just upgrade your typing, it performs surgery on your entire gaming ecosystem, delivering speed that makes mechanical keyboard feel sluggish and integration that turns your keyboard into a command center. Let's start with the switches because this is where the K100 earns its crown. OPX optical mechanical switches use light beams to register key presses instead of metal contacts. The result? 1 mm actuation distance and 0 dead bounce delay. Your key press registers in 0.5 milliseconds. That's faster than your monitor can refresh. While your friends are still bottoming out cherry-MX threads, you're already shooting. The 150 million keystroke lifespan means this board will outlast your gaming career, and the consistent feel never develops the mushiness that plagues traditional switches after years of abuse. The PBT double-shot keycaps are where premium meets practical. These aren't cheap ABS caps that develop a greasy shine after 6 months. The legends are physically molded into the keycap, meaning they never fade, wear off, or become illegible. The textured surface provides grip during intense gaming sessions, and the 1.5 mm thickness creates a solid, satisfying bottom out that doesn't feel hollow. The QWERTY NA layout is standard, but the included keycap puller means you can customize with custom sets without breaking out the pliers. But the real magic is Elgato's streamdeck integration. 6 dedicated macro keys on the left side work natively with streamdeck software, letting you switch scenes, mute mics, launch media, and trigger commands without buying a separate $150 Stream Deck. The icue software ties everything together. Sync RGB lighting with your entire Corsair ecosystem. Create complex macros that execute entire combos with one press, and monitor system stats through the keyboard's integrated display. The aluminum frame provides rigidity that prevents flex during aggressive typing, and the included wrist rest ensures comfort during marathon streaming sessions. For gamers who demand speed, streamers who need integration, and professionals who want a keyboard that works as hard as they do, the K100 is your endgame. Click here for the best price and stop letting your keyboard hold you back.